Being a dad is the best job in the world. But let's be honest, it's also chaos, mayhem. You're constantly exhausted, running on fumes, and overwhelmed. Between work, kids, and activities, you're just trying to stay sane. And you really don't have time to understand how AI can help, making things easier, not harder. Well, that's where this channel comes in. Hi, I'm Mike, husband and father of 3. Isabel, we call her Izzy, she's 6. Elijah, Eli, or sometimes Turbo, he's 3. And Isaac, or Bronco, who's 5 weeks old. I'm an AI strategist by day, where I help large corporations understand how they can use AI in their operations or driving top line or bottom line growth. And I'm here to help you understand how you can do that at home, in your personal life. And I'm going to walk through on this channel how I use AI on a day-to-day basis, whether it's planning a barbecue, creating a cocktail, organizing an awesome summer schedule for my kids. All of these ways that AI can help you on a day-to-day basis to really optimize yourself as a parent, even including things like fitness. So this is what AI for Everyday Dads is all about. I'm going to show and share how I use AI in a non-techie way. This isn't going to get technical. We're not going to get into Python libraries or algorithm coding or anything like that. But we will share ways to demystify what AI is that can help you on a day-to-day basis. No hype. Let's save time, reduce stress, and just show up better. So, what type of content are you going to see? Well, let's get into productivity and routines. Let's look at how AI can help us organize our schedules or even help with awesome summer schedules for your kids. I just recently did this as summer just started with my daughter. We have a whole schedule laid out for the week that AI helped me create with suggested activities like Make It Monday, Trek Tuesday, Wet and Wild Wednesdays. All of these things with activities that gives my daughter and my son something to look forward to, that's made it much easy as I was a couple weeks into parental leave and I needed some help figuring out how do I operate as a dad more effectively. We're going to get into fitness and nutrition. I'm 36 years old. I'm approaching the best shape of my life, and a lot of it has to do with how AI helped me optimize my workout schedule, my nutrition plan, set up my gym and optimize my gym for the constraints that I needed to deal with. One of the things I love about AI is how it was able to personalize what I needed in my goals to get the outcomes that I'm looking for. Around family and parenting, I'm constantly trying to be a better husband, a better father. How can we use AI as a coach and a guide to be more effective in those areas? If you haven't used AI to dissect a 3-hour podcast or a couple 100-page book in 5-minute notes, we're going to spend time showing how you can learn almost anything with AI. You can create hyper-personalized learning plans on almost any topic that will allow you to educate yourself in ways that you could never do before. Career and side hustles is another fun topic. One of the videos I'm really excited to make is let's see how much money AI can make with $100, and maybe we'll do some short, long sales, do something in the stock market. We'll see what we can do there. And then technology and tools. And this is really all about what are the good AI tools and technology that's out there at your fingertips. Have I done everything? No. Have I experienced everything? No. But we're going to go on this journey together. You're going to learn. I'm going to learn, and I'm super excited to be on this path with you. There's going to be a combination of videos from, what's in my home office here to screen recording where I'll demonstrate how these tools are created or we're leveraging AI and creating GPTs. And this is also going to include things like vlogs or just things are on my mind that I want to share with you guys. So I'm really looking forward to being on this journey. Welcome to the channel. I am fully expecting that each one of these videos I'll get better and more comfortable talking behind the camera. But thank you for being here. Really looking forward to being on this journey with you.